Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Wireguard server and configure it on an Android device using the Wireguard VPN client. Wireguard is a cutting-edge, secure VPN protocol designed for speed and efficiency, providing robust online privacy with minimal resource usage. Stick around as I walk you through each step in detail. Step 1. To get started, open any browser and visit the custom UDP website. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger icon in the top corner to expand the menu. From the list of options, scroll down and select the Wireguard VPN server option to proceed. On the next page, you'll see an account creation form. Fill out the required fields, such as your username and, if applicable, a valid SNI, or leave it blank. Make sure to check the reCAPTCHA box before clicking on Create Account. Step 2. Once the server is created, click the Wireguard config label to download your configuration file. Wait a few seconds for the download to complete. Afterward, return to your mobile device's home screen. Step 3. Next, go to the Google Play Store, search for Wireguard VPN, and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app to access the home screen. Step 4. On the app's home screen, tap the plus icon located at the bottom right. A menu will appear. Select Import from File. Locate the configuration file you downloaded earlier in the Downloads folder and import it into the app. On mobile browsers, the file may have a .txt extension added to it. If this happens, rename the file to remove the .txt extension before importing it into the app. Step 5. If you need to make adjustments, tap on the server profile, then click the pencil icon in the top right corner. In the endpoint settings, input a valid SNI before the Wireguard server address. Once completed, click Save to update the configuration. Step 6. With all settings configured, you're ready to activate your VPN. Simply tap the radio button next to your server profile to start the VPN. Conclusion? And that's it. You've successfully set up a Wireguard server and configured it on your Android device. Wireguard offers fast, secure, and reliable VPN performance, keeping your online activity private. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.